Hi, today I'll tell you about one of our case studies. The company we worked with needed a simple yet reliable method for managing food products and their expiration dates. Until then, the entire process was manual and very time-consuming. So, we designed a workflow in n8n and connected it to Notion to fully automate this process. After logging into Notion, the client has access to two tables, products and expiration date. They simply enter the data and n8n retrieves the records from the tables daily and compares them with the current date. If a product's expiration date is approaching, the system automatically sends a notification with a list of products nearing expiration. Thanks to this integration, the client gained full control over their data and complete automation of notifications without the need to manually check expiration dates. This is just one of many integration examples we create at n8n. AutomationNext.io specializes in business process automation. Our projects focus on professional implementation of solutions using the n8n platform and artificial intelligence. If you'd like to automate processes in your company using Notion and n8n, drop us a message.